Happy Memorial Day. What is going on, everybody? Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson, and I want to welcome you guys all in on this Memorial Day edition. And I thought, what better way to kick off the week, the Memorial Day week, than to grab this package that I have here that looks like an American flag. It looks like an American flag. Like, why wouldn't we want to do this one today on Memorial Day? So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. We'll give them an initial FRS rating, and then we'll go back. We'll review them on Friday. You'll have a review. They'll be on the Faithful Ranker score, and we're gonna have just a fantastic holiday week. I hope all of you guys are doing well that are heading back to work. But today, you're remembering the people that fight for our freedom. So let's kick it off. We'll grab the knife and we'll get into this package. I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. All right, I got my knife. My knife right here. I got it. So let's cut this box and then dig in. Feels kind of weird cutting the American flag packaging. Wouldn't you think? Doesn't it feel kind of weird? I don't know. What do we got? Aubrey Chores. Then we have this box. Check that out. American-made beard company. Established in 2019, which is just one short year ago. Which was a better year than 2020, I think, so far. We open it up. You got some here. Land of the Free, Home of the Bearded. Ooh. And then you have some stuff in here. But you have a sticker. You have a business card. And then it says you can redeem rewards. Oh, they have a rewards program, it looks like. Collect 5 canvas bags. Add a reward program item to your cart. Pick your free items and check out. Follow the instructions emailed to you. Interesting. So you get these canvas bags, it looks like, right here. You collect 5 of these, and you get some reward program. We'll check into that more, and on Friday I'll come back to you and I'll have the details of how that goes. So here's the canvas bag. Pretty nice little canvas bag, a little interesting here. And what do we pull out? But we pull out this beard oil. Look at that. White label, directions, ingredients, vitamin E oil, aloe vera, jojoba, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, grape seed oil, and some essential oils. Not a big essential oil fan, but we're going to see what this is like. This is called American Gentleman, it appears. Now, first thing I notice is a little bit different on this than most of them is the shrink wrap, plastic shrink wrap goes down the whole bottle. So if we were to take this off, rip this off here, watch this. Usually it just covers the cap, right? Not so much on this one. Garbage. It actually covers the whole bottle. So, I mean, you want to talk about protection, leak protection. There's going to be some leak protection here. Then you got their label right here. I mean, I think I could see some improvements that I'll have on the label already, but you got a scent profile name. You have directions on ingredients. You got a blue bottle. Probably can't complain too much. I'll give it a shakeroo and we'll smell it. I think this is just a sample for me. I'm thinking, because it's only half full. Ooh. American Gentleman. I like that. I think it's cherry tobacco. But it's a really good cherry tobacco. I like that. Ooh. Gonna be excited to wear that in beard. Then you have Barbershop. Look at this. Clear bottle. Yellow, nice yellow oil here. It's called Barbershop. This one's full. So I think he was just giving me a sample of that one. I mean, there's no oil in here, so it's not like it leaked out. But it's only half full. So let's see what Barbershop smells like. Traditional type, clean, fresh barbershop. Telcome. I mean, not super Telcome. It's clean. It's definitely clean. This, again, is a barbershop that I like. I really like this style of barbershop. Then I got a sample pack. Do we want to go through all these? Probably not. I'll just come back to you on Friday in the review. I'll let you know which one that I like the best, but they're in these little drams. We got one called Dark Matter, little dram here. Like, the camera doesn't even want to focus on it. Mainly because my beautiful face is in there. See? You get that? And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. You got some crinkle stuff in here, and you have like a mini type comb with their logo, American Made Beard Company, on there. This would definitely break. It's a softer wood, but it's nice and small for the small bearded fellas out there. And so that's all we got to here. So get that out of here for Aubrey to clean up. So that's what we have here. Just oil. Just oil. We don't have any balms. We don't have any butters. So I get to test out a week of just oil. I'm kind of pumped about that. A week of just oil gives me time to shoot some vlogs, some time to spend with you guys on live streams, to do fun stuff. I'm excited. So join me in on Friday. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried American Made Beard Company. I'm going to let you know more about them come Friday. I'm going to have a vlog this week. We got some good medical stuff coming up this week, so I'm going to vlog it out for you guys. And until I talk to you guys on the next video, be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.